What happened to little Charlie Bothuell? A case of abuse and torture or a father's discipline? Many facts of the case are expected soon.
But today, only Action News cameras were in court when Mrs. Bothuell had to appear there. And as 7 Action News reporter Kim Craig shows us tonight, Mr. Bothuell claims they're innocent. All new at 5:30.
She has 2 children. One of the children has challenges that she's had to deal with.
But at least for now, Monique Dillard-Bothuell has been ordered to stay away from the 2 young children she has with Charlie Bothuell IV, as the 2 face charges of torture and child abuse involving Mr. Bothuell's oldest son. Little Charlie, you'll remember, was 12 years old last summer when police say he was found injured and hidden in the Bothuell's basement, 11 days after his father and stepmother reported him missing.
We're innocent, and I won't make any further comment beyond that. Thank you.
Over the weekend, Charlie Bothuell was bonded out of jail.
Everybody assumes that he's guilty right now, so I think they're going to be very surprised when he's found not guilty, but I'm very confident of that.
Only Action News was in court this morning when Mrs. Bothuell appeared for a hearing on a probation violation. Before she and her husband were charged with abusing and torturing little Charlie, she was convicted of purchasing a pistol without a permit. But the probation violation case will be on hold until the more serious case involving little Charlie is resolved, a case in which a judge has ordered the Bothuells to stay away from their 2 younger children. For months they've been in the care of a relative, and Mr. Bothuell's attorney says their 4-year-old autistic son is suffering setbacks.
According to Luke's doctors, it's already had a permanent effect and it's going to keep getting worse. So again, he's probably never going to speak again. And there's a lot of things, just simple greetings, just noticing when people walk into a room. There's a lot of things that he's never going to be able to do. And unfortunately, you know, that's very heartbreaking for Mr. and Mrs. Bothuell.
Mrs. Bothuell is expected to be bonded out of jail soon and placed on a tether, and a lot of details are expected to be released at the preliminary examination later this month.
You'll see in court the mountain of evidence that we have that, you know, little Charlie wasn't being hidden in the basement for all that time. Little Charlie was not being abused, he was not being tortured, and all that will come out very soon.
In Detroit, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.